and today we're going to look at on how to find the highest common factor in two numbers using two methods, prime factorization and a secret method at the end. So stay tuned for that, and if you have not and you're new to the channel, subscribe and share. So let's get into some highest common factor and some maths. So first, we need some two random numbers. I'm going to pick 24 and 16. And now we need to find the highest common factor. That basically means the biggest factor that they both have. So that's why it's common. So first start with 24. This is the prime factorization method. I have 6 and 4, 3 and 2, 2 and 2. And that's it for 24. And now 16, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. So which are prime numbers here? This is a prime number, that's a prime number, that's a prime number, that's a prime number, and all these are prime numbers as well. So let's write this out. So 24 has 3, 2, 2, and 2. And then that means 16 has 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so let's see the common factors. So we have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and not these two, because they're not the same. So now to work it out, we have to do 2 times 2 times 2, because these both basically count for 1, 2. So what is 2 times 2? That's 4, then times 2 is 8. So that means the highest common factor equals 8 from 24 and 16. So that's how you do it in the prime factorization way. Let's try out my different method. So let's use 280 and 160. This method is usually for bigger numbers. So yeah. So first of all, we need to find out which number is lower. Which number is lower? 280 or 160? Obviously, this will be 160. Then, using this lowest number, we need to divide that into 280. So how many times does 160 go into 280? That is only once, with a remainder of 120. So now we have we always like to focus on this remainder. Now we have 160 and 120. We got the 120 by using the number that was remaining. So again, we repeat this process. What is 100? Which is lower, 120, 160? It is 120. So how many times does 120 go into 160? Once, with a remainder of 40, because 60 minus 20, 160 minus 20 equals 40. Now we do again, repeat the process, 120 and 40. How many times is, what's the lowest number? 40. So how many times does 40 go into 120? 3. That is an integer. An integer means a whole number. It's just a more fancy word. And when when we hit an integer, this is a different pattern without remainders. So this means this is different. And it means 3 is the HCF of these numbers. 3 is the highest common factor of 160 and 280. So that's how you find the highest common factor with 2 methods, one for a bigger number, one for smaller numbers. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, share with your maths teachers and your friends. If to subscribe, you can watch all my daily uploads and my Mathful course that will be pinned up in the right hand corner of your screen on that information card. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.